So, as an astrologer, it's my responsibility to come and say to you, Capricorn, that you are officially in the midst of a 20-year cycle of abundance. I just want to make Capricorns feel good. This is a time, especially because Pluto is going to be in the second house or, our natural second house, Capricorn, for the next 20 years. And that could indicate success, abundance, and a time to shine and inspire and to do all kind of things. So I hope you take advantage of this, Capricorn, because we supposedly have 20 years of shining in our success. Congrats.
Astrology, a look inside. Presenting astrology and tarot readings for all.